Hi guys, good afternoon. So I'm here. This is my business, my own business. Ayan. I love this kind of minudo. Look my scarcity. So I'm not asleep since last year. Since last night. I'm not asleep. So here I'm always busy after work. This is my sideline. Side hustle. Side hustle. So my neighbor is by worth 200 pesos. So my capital is 600 pesos. So that's all. So I think 1, 2, 3. I think I'm not asleep this day because I'm coming back to BGC. So I'm here in Cavite. I'm going to Manila again after this. So I want to take a bath right now after this. So this is look. Oh, diba? So bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye. Thank you for your support, guys. So thank you for the 23 million views. And this month I have 875,000. So thank you for watching. Thank you sa pag-support. I hope you will come back again. Thank you. Hello newbie, new membership. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.